Let me demonstrate how to replace the display of the iPhone 12. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. Turn off the device. First, remove 2 pentalobe screws. I recommend organizing all the screws so that you don't get mixed up during the following procedure. Use a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius. Apply the suction cup and use a flat tool to move along the side edges. Be careful not to slide too far into the phone. Remove the 2 marked cross screws. Then the cover. Remove the battery flex cable. Then disconnect all the flex cables that lead to the display. Then the 4 marked cross screws. Remove this cover as well. Finally, remove the 4 marked cross screws. Now flip the earpiece unit over. Carefully heat up the glue with the hairdryer. Use the spudger to carefully loosen the unit. Do not tear off the components. Depending on the format of your spare part, you may have to remove the plastic cover around the camera. Now position the earpiece unit on the new display. Make sure that the components are installed correctly before you put the 4 screws back in place. Before you connect the display, use a suitable adhesive foil for the center frame. You can remove the adhesive residue with a pair of tweezers and clean the surface with alcohol. Attach the battery flex cable. Position the cover and screw it in. Position another cover and screw it in. Place the display on top and carefully press it tight. Attach the 2 pentalobe screws. It was a pleasure repairing with you today. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel. You can find spare parts and repair people on kaputt.de.